Hi, in this series of videos we are going to be looking at manufacturing, which is for accounting grade 11 and 12 students. Now for most of our accounting we have been looking at what we call retail businesses. These are businesses that buy goods and then sell them at a marked up price or a higher price. Now they don't do much to those goods except perhaps for repackaging or packaging them. So for the manufacturing company, there's a slightly different route that the goods take from purchase to sale. And that is namely, they would need to be buying those goods from a supplier at what we call raw materials supplies, and then transport them to the business, which is what we're going to put under what we call carriage on purchases. Then should it happen that they are buying from outside of South Africa, they will also have an additional cost called import duties or customs cost. Then after that, the goods will be stored, and then some of those goods will be sent to the factory for processing during the year. Then from there, after the processing is done, we get our finished goods, and then the finished goods get sent to the sales department. So there's a storeroom there which we will call the finished goods, and then after that, only can the sales be made. So to calculate our cost of sales, we would need to include all these processes that contribute to whatever total costs get incurred in producing the final goods. So what is the importance of this topic? Why are we learning it? Well, it's introducing us to a whole new branch of accounting that deals with managing production. This can help you in dealing with skills or developing skills that are needed in careers such as logistics, supply chain management, factory management, bookkeeping, raw or human resource management, storeroom and distribution, because some of the goods need to be stored in a particular way, some of them need to be transported in a particular way. Let's look at meat, for example. When you have your raw materials coming in as cows, and then the processing that is done is the slaughtering and then the packaging. In your slaughtering and packaging, the temperatures at which you keep the meat is very important. So should you let the meat get too hot, then it will get spoiled. So by the time you get to your finished goods and sales part, already it's not sellable, or people cannot purchase such meat. So a lot has been lost from just the wrong handling of those goods. So we are going to be learning quite a lot.